In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a full beginner's guide to the LayoutHub Easy Page Builder Shopify app. It's basically a page builder. I'm going to try and teach everything you need to know in as quick as possible. So the first thing you want to do is install it, and you can go to the link in the description. If you click that link, it's going to take you to this page here, which is the installer page. You want to go ahead and press install, and then from here it should go ahead and start installing onto your Shopify store. Now give it a second, it might take a second to load depending on how fast your Wi-Fi is. You want to press install here, and then we should be ready to go. Cool, so we can see first of all here they've got some stuff here. They have a few notices here like a warning, do not create a flexible homepage more than once. So okay, cool. So the first thing we're going to want to go ahead and do is we can go ahead and create a page here. And we can pick what kind of page we want to create. So we've got a standard page, product page, collection page, blog page, or article. For me, I'm going to go ahead and create a standard page. You can pick a header, so you can show header or you can hide header. It's up to you. A header is basically the bit at the top, so like the search bar, and the footer is the bar at the bottom. So I'm just going to say show for now, but you could turn it off. So straight away, it gives us a load of really nice looking templates that we could use. So many to choose from, honestly. I'm just going to go for this one here. I think it looks quite cool. You can preview them here, and by previewing them, you can see what they look like. You can look on mobile, desktop, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to start editing this page here, and it's really simple to actually go ahead and use. Now you can take a tour. I'm not going to bother with the tour. I don't need to. And it says it's your first time using this. We will apply the font and primary color from the layout to your page. You can change them in the settings tab. Cool. So here we are inside of the editor, and it's pretty easy to use. So you can just click on any of the elements in here. So for example, this here, or we could click on this text here, or this button. And on the left hand side, it's going to show you all of the different settings you've got for it. So you can change the title, hello, welcome. We've got the description here, which we could change. We have our button here that we can change. We have, this images here that we can change. We have an image here, this line here. And basically this is going to be our first section up here. Now we can go to the second section here, and we can change some stuff in here. So we've got basically all the contents in here. And basically to change it is very easy. You can just go ahead and just click in there, change all of this like that. Now you can see we have these list items here. We can actually go ahead and change the list items. We can change the color. You see these are the colors here. So if I change this, it's very simple to change like that. It looks very good. And we can add items here. So it's very easy to go about actually editing stuff. It's literally just click and edit, just like that. Now we can go over to section here, and basically when we go into section, it's going to show us all the stuff inside the section we're on. So it's going to show us the background color. We can add images if we want. It's going to show us some advanced stuff as well. Now if we go back to the main sections bit here, it's going to show us all of the sections across your site. So we've got the top bit here, which would be this one here. We've got the banner. We've got contents, and it's very easy. If we want to, we can go ahead and we can just like delete one. So we just press delete here, and that'll delete the section. We can also go ahead and we can duplicate it. We can change the layout of it. So we can select all these different blocks here. For example, we could have this one instead, and we could put that in there like that. And we can just go in and edit it. It's very simple to do, like I've just shown you. Now what you're going to see when you go to change layout and you put a layout in, it's going to change the whole page. So it's going to change the whole bit. It will remove all the information, so be careful when you do that, not to override it. We can also go down here, add a section, and we have all of these different sections here. So we have recently used, we have vote for upcoming, and then we have latest blocks, blog, call to action, client, contents. We just have so much here. So if we wanted to add a collection page, we could just import this bit here. And then we could go into here. You see it looks very nice. We can go and browse collections, and we can just select a specific collection. It's very easy to go about using. And once we're ready, we can look at on the different views, so mobile, desktop, that kind of thing. And we can just go ahead and press publish. Now we can change the title of the page here. We can change the URL. We can change the meta description. We can change the social media sharing icon. So this is when you search on Google, we'll have a little icon there. You've got lazy loading, just helps speed page, public page, and you've got make it home page as well. So we can just press publish, and that should be ready to go. It might take a second to load and publish, but once that's done, it should be ready to go on your store and you can actually start viewing it straight away. Here we go, we can press view page and it should take us over here to our page that we just created. And you can see it looks very nice, very easy to use, and we've got our product in there. So that's basically how you use the sort of builder in here. I'm going to go back to the main dashboard here and just show you a few more things they have available. So here's our recent pages. We can add a new page here, and over here we have our integrations. So we can actually integrate things. So we can add new profile, and we can pick what we want to integrate. So let's say we want to integrate Klaviyo. We can put our profile name, just call it Klaviyo. Then we get our API key and our listing ID. But we can do this with all these different things. So we can do it with, MailChimp. We can do it with ConvertKit, GetResponse, all that kind of stuff. And we can just integrate them here, which is pretty useful. It's good for things like forms and just setting it all up so it's all integrated. Now, over here we've got this sale tool, and you've got stuff like your shipping bar, which you can have at the top. You've got your sale notifications, so you have this at the bottom. It's like a little pop-up. You've probably seen them before. You've got your promotional banners, your EU cookie bar, I don't know why it says UE, cart related stuff, and you've got your anti-copy, protect your site. So this means that people can't copy data from your website, they can't copy images. It's pretty good because it means that people can't just steal your whole landing page basically. If we go to the left hand side more, we've got our standard pages here, that's one we just created. We've got our product pages, so we've got product templates, collection templates, blog templates, article ones, and we can just go in to any of them simply and we can just edit them. For this we're going to have to be on the pro plan to use the product pages stuff, but it's still very easy to use once you have that. Now as you can see, they also have A/B tests, so you can actually run an A/B test. If you go to performance here, it's not available with a free plan, but you can split test things so you can see which one converts better, that kind of thing, just so you can improve your conversion rate and that kind of thing on here. A few more things they've got settings here, so this is just some general settings. You've got your store details, app settings, your plans, advanced settings. You've got your Google Analytics tracking, so you can set that up very simply. You've got your general theme settings, so colors, that kind of thing. Quick view settings, so this is things like add to cart buttons. You've got your swatch colors, so you can add these. And then we have our third-party apps, so we can integrate some review apps. So maybe you've got Luke's or something like that. You've got your wish list apps, and you've got your quick view product. You can select which option you want. You just press save and you're ready to go. But that's basically how you use LayoutHub for beginners, just a quick beginner's guide to it. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and also comment down below that it did help you out. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.